Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Prism Plus Elevate X1 stand. Okay, so this is the Elevate box. It's just a very simple box, literally Prism Plus, and the whole thing is just white. Okay, so opening it up, you get a layer of foam on top, take it away, and yeah, so this is just the entire stand. You get 3 screws here. Then you get the top part of the stand. So it does feel very sturdy even just holding it like that. It's a bit heavy, it's a bit... Oh, wow, it's actually very sturdy and it has a nice feel to it. This is a matte black color. So you get a cable routing hole here and this thing just keeps dropping. So I'm just gonna pull it forward a little bit. So yeah, you can see that there's a cable routing hole and you attach the monitor here, and the top, is this the top or is this? Yep, so this should be the top, and there's this smooth surface on it, so you can probably put something on it without much problems. And then take this to the side. This is the bottom stand, so I'm just gonna take it out, and it's the same thing. It's also a very nice matte black color, and to attach it, let's just see what else is in the box. So there's nothing else. I'm gonna take this box away because it's pretty big. Okay, so let's see. So this is the bottom stand, and then to affix it, it should just be very simple. There's not even a manual that they give you because it's so simple. You literally just make sure that it slides in. And then you don't even need a screwdriver basically, because there's the little handle here for you to just turn it in. So I'm just gonna turn all the way, tighten it, and it's nice and it's screwed in. And yeah, so basically there you have it, the stand. So I'm just going to attach the monitor to this and we'll see how it goes. Now, to attach the stand to the backplate so you can have it onto the monitor, you just need to get the backplate off your monitor. You put it on, slide it in, and just use the included screws. And you just have one here. And then a second one up. Just get it in, make sure that it's tight, and you're good to go. So now let's attach this to a monitor, and I'm going to be attaching this to a 34-inch. Okay, so this is the back of the X340 Pro, and all you need to do is you just slide the top in like usual, like anything, and then just you hear it click into place and you're done. So I'm just going to lift this up. Now that I have it up and running, so you can see this is the previous stand, and you can definitely see it's a lot thinner than this Elevate X1. But yeah, this was already pretty stable, but you didn't get adjustability. But now, with this current one, you're getting a lot more adjustability in terms of the height. So you can see it can go all the way down. And then you can just lift it up again all the way up. And you get tilt also. So same thing, you're still getting the tilt functions. And you also get the swivel function. So left or right. So you can angle it if you want to, and like I said, you get a cable routing hole through here, and this is just, well, something to put stuff on if you don't need to use it. You can actually hang your headphones up here, so when you need it, just reach over from the front, take it, and yeah, that's about it for the Elevate X1 stand. So now that you've seen all the unboxing and also the setup, it is really very easy to set up, and this can support up to 8 kilograms of weight, and it fits anything from a 24-inch to 34-inch within their range. So you can fit this from their X240 all the way up to their X340. So yeah, if you need something that's more adjustable, so you can, like I said before, go up, go down, you can rotate it left and right. Yeah, this is the stand to go for, but you will have to bear in mind that this will only fit their range of series because of the way that it attaches to the back of the monitor. It doesn't use like your standard VESA mount. It goes with their own backplate kind of thing. yeah, that's the Prism Plus Elevate X1. So it's very easy to set up, it's very sturdy, it fits perfectly because the coloring on the stand and the back of your monitor is, well, the same literally. Like, I don't see any difference. Yeah, there's really no difference, and that's very good so that everything just matches perfectly with your setup. Or if you want to go with a monitor arm, you can also do that. But if you want something that's adjustable and you can just move it around, this would definitely be perfect. So I hope you liked the video. Remember, like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!